We're gonna save so much, let's hit it.
These are the new finds. With all this talk of Amazon, I want to share with you the thrilling things I have seen at the Dollar Tree that are brand new.
This is the brand new section at Dollar Tree, the freezer section.
Dollar Tree has always carried food that's $1.25, but now everything you're seeing, they have a section, it's a new aisle that ranges from $3 to $5. And I'm going to compare Walmart prices because there are some that are even cheaper.
They have Talenti Gelato Layer Ice Cream. I've shared this so many times on my Instagram. It is only $5 here. That is a solid dollar savings from Walmart. And yes, Dollar Tree does accept manufacturer coupons. So if you have coupons for any of these items, you can use them here. The Breyers ice cream is also a really good deal here. However, stay away from the Good Humor strawberry shortcake bars and some of these bars. You can find them cheaper at Walmart. An incredibly surprising good deal from Dollar Tree in the $3 section are the Dino Buddies.
I really hope these help families save significantly. These retail at Walmart for almost $10 for the same item. And some of my favorites are these yummy hot fries, which are double the price at Walmart.
Also, if you want smaller quantities of the Jimmy Dean's breakfast sandwiches and bites, this is comparable to Walmart. What would you do for a Klondike bar? You would come to Dollar Tree to get it because it is cheaper here. They have vanilla, they have Heath, and they also have my personal favorite, Reese's.
In the $1.25 section, brand new finds are really high-end drinks like this Jones brand. They also have boba tea style drinks and even the Jarrito brand. This is going to save you tons compared to the grocery store. Get creative. Maybe you want to recycle some of your Talenti ice cream containers for some of those drinks.
Oh my gosh, I wanted you to come to this video and actually see new products, like none of this stuff you've seen before. And I cannot wait to show it to you. All right, so over here, they have these incredible scrub buddies. Not only are these beautiful, they work really well on your pots and your pans.
When I tell you this thing is awesome, it's worth every penny. It has a non-scratch scrubber and it works really well for cleaning inside of small areas. Maybe you're cleaning inside of cups or bowls. It lasts a really long time and it holds a lot of soap. A little goes a long way.
I have videos on basically every cleaner in this store, but new one that I haven't seen before is this carpet and upholstery cleaner. I love LA's Totally Awesome products. I'm gonna try this out in our van. Charlie, do you agree that we need that? Yeah. Our van is so gross, okay.
These natural sprays are just $1.25. They have a lavender one and a cinnamon one. The smell on these is so decadent and I love that they are all natural. It's by the Wizard brand.
I keep talking about the all-purpose spray. This smells absolutely incredible. This one is the plant-derived ingredients one. It smells like peppermint sage. I use this all over my house. These two together, in the glass section, they have these brand new iridescent canisters. I have a whole video on how to make DIY bath salts that are actually high-end from the Dollar Tree. How beautiful would they look in these?
Everything came from the Dollar Tree. And if I were to buy this in store, I would pay about $30.
This is new too. They have these pretty little candles and they have the wooden lids on them. This is so nice. These look very high-end. Dollar Tree Plus is stepping it up. They have these beautiful baskets for $3. There's a bunch of people like gasping over in the corner because they didn't realize that Dollar Tree is changing like this. I can't wait to show you, but I need my cart. You guys know I am obsessed with Dollar Tree resin. Oh my goodness, I have done so many craft projects, but what they carry now, they didn't used to have. I've shown you how I make Dollar Tree jewelry using Dollar Tree resin. You can put glitter inside, but now they have these jewelry silicone molds. They also have bangle bracelet molds. You can use the resin from Dollar Tree to make all of this, do it with your kids. It's so fun. They also have this muted metallic pearl. They have these vibrant pearls, and you just mix this in with the resin.
I couldn't leave without trying out some of these resin pours for you. I mixed in some of the muted pearlescent tint right into the resin and poured this into the mold. To be honest with you, I didn't know what to expect or what I was gonna get, but one kit, I could do a full 2 load of molds, okay? A lot. And then once this dried overnight, I picked them out and I was surprised. They actually looked like stone. They are very high quality. I can't wait for more projects like this and more jewelry making. You guys have been really seeming to like it.
Leave this video a thumbs up if you like simple videos coming around the store like this. We can find good deals for you. Let's go. This is a new product. They have sun readers. So this combines your readers and your sunglasses. This is a great deal because I lose mine all the time. If you can keep a pair of sunglasses for more than a couple months, I commend you because I am not that person. Oh, I can see you. Oh, I can see you. All of the travel stuff right now is incredible. They have travel hand sanitizers, they have blender travel cases. A brand new product are these travel battery operated toothbrushes. This is adorable. These are travel kits. They have the bottles that you can decant all of your items into, but more than that, they have name brands like Jergens lotion. They also have Pantene.
And speaking of vacation, you might have wondered where that little vintage oven was from. Well, I'm actually filming and shooting this all from Wisconsin. We went to Door County on a little family vacation. It's so beautiful. So some of the shots inside are actually in this little cottage. We have been having so much fun. I would love to know where you guys are going on vacations this year. And here are definitely some items you're gonna wanna bring along with you on your next vacation.
Also in the travel section, look out for the hand sanitizer pens. Have you guys seen these? They slip right inside your purse. They're great for when you're on the road. They have all name brand deodorant as well. And don't forget, they have these makeup brush holders. These are suction cups. Especially if you have a small space, these are awesome.
I was surprised at how well this adhered right to the mirror. This makes storage perfect even for on the go. And right now, Dollar Tree has all of the back to school items in place, which means brand new organizers you don't want to miss.
Giant items you don't want to miss. These baskets are perfect for kids' toys. They're amazing for back to school. They're only $5. They also have these containers here. I've shown these before, but they're starting to roll them out in more stores. So it's not just in some stores, it's gonna be in all of the ones you go to. I try to pick the products that are replicatable everywhere you check. This, however, is all $1.25 products. They have these square-shaped pegboards. I do not use these on my wall. I actually use these inside of my drawers. You can combine them with some of these metal pieces that stick right into the holes. This is perfect for your glass Pyrex containers. I love it.
This really is one of my favorite techniques, and you can put some command hooks on the back of these so they don't slide around inside of your drawer.
This is like Instagram, Pinterest worthy. Look at this. They have these acrylic little note boards. These can also hold your phone. I'm into this. You gotta look, you gotta hunt, you gotta get low. Come here with a friend, come here to relax. Oh my gosh. Oh, they have a lot of these. I wish more of you were here. I would just give them all to you. They have these facial serums. They come in these little pods. You put this on your face. It helps skin appear brighter. They work great. What you wanna be on the lookout for is name brands. And my favorite name brand is Ione. They have eyeshadow palettes, they have eyelashes, they even have eyebrow pencils. Lots of these you can find on the end caps. Also, they have tons of name brands, but there's a couple I want to show you. These tweezers are awesome. I was in Sephora the other day. They were charging $26 for a similar tweezer, like almost exactly the same. Charlie, look. Oh my gosh, they have it here. This plumping lip gloss is awesome. I highly recommend it. If you want to remove makeup quickly, these makeup vanishing towels are awesome. Literally, you just put a little bit of soap on your face, all of your makeup comes out. If you struggle to get it out, you definitely want these, and this is a good deal. When they bring this back, be sure to pick it up. You may have heard of the product Drunk Elephant. It's really expensive, but these, you can put your face creams in here, your moisturizers, and then just pump it out. Look how pretty this lavender is. It's awesome. It's the same effect, but you're doing it on a dime. Ooh, with recycled plastic? Okay. If you want to keep hanging out and saving a ton, my favorite video I recently posted is right here, my sweet friend. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll catch you soon.
I hope wherever you are, you get to experience abundant peace and gratitude. I'm sending you so very much love, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.